So just a quick thing, one of my team members I want to show, he's been going back and forth trying to get Paul Ponner's TOONs.AI fixed, you know, and as you see here, Paul Ponner himself said, I will have the team get back to you. So here's the I will have the team get back to you. So on Monday, which today is Wednesday, so 2 days ago at 10:30 a.m. in the morning, and it's now 6:16 p.m. because I'm Eastern time. He said, I'm contacting you in regards to your issue about TOONs.AI in the Facebook group. Your message, no support, just the runaround for 4 days, can do anything, blah, blah, blah. He said, our developers recently updated the TOONs.AI app to add new features and fix bug issues. Could you please let me know if you're able to render the videos? So I put, yes, I am, but they still do not render properly, blah, 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 said a whole bunch of stuff. But you know what? It was working when we mentioned that it was working, but now it's not working again. So he hasn't, since that initial message he sent, we've gotten no replies. We have also been speaking to someone on Skype, which is Mohammed. He's been a little bit more active. But you know what? We bought this 5-6 days ago, and we still can't create anything. So it's like, you took $150 and we can't do nothing. Yeah, we can create stuff, but we can't render it. So, what's good? Unfortunately, last I checked, I can't, bring a customer to my computer and say, oh, here's your video.
Target audience.
Here's your video. Unfortunately, all your customers will have to watch my screen, so we'll have to AnyDesk. It makes no sense. I've never, ever seen a company that put out a program like this that has these major bugs, because I really find it hard that I'm the only one. And just the support is not there. I have Create Studio Pro. You know what? Their support, their upgrades, their fixes are flawless. There is not a bad thing I can say about Create Studio Pro. If anybody watching this video wants an awesome program, look up Create Studio Pro. It's a desktop app. It's not a cloud-based. And you know what? You can render your videos probably in average 20 seconds, maybe 2 to 3 minutes, depending if it's like a 5-minute video. They just put in a new render engine that is super fast. I was going to say I could actually just give you a quick rundown of it. Since this program doesn't seem to be working, why should I tell people to buy it? I care about my reputation. So, this is the Create Studio Pro program. It does have an all access pass, but you know what? It's I think the all access pass is like $25 or $35 a month. They do run specials all the time where you can pick up for $199 that you can pick up the program and an entire year of the all access pass. But as you can see here, it's got 3D characters, like lots of them. And this is only showing what's in the new. There's like a lot more beyond this. Look, tons, way more than AI Tunes. And that's only 3D. Then you got Supreme ones, a whole ton of them. Then you got, these are new characters. This is some bobblehead stuff they got. They got minimal, they got flow ones, they got doodle, they got animals, they got classy. And that's just characters. That's just characters, because you got doodles, you got YouTube, social media. They also put in these new scenes, which you can see how much it has over there. just like I don't have anything bad to say about Create Studio, unfortunately, because I've been using them for 2 years and they're my go-to software. I thought this might have been my go-to software to, for 2D, because it's not, he does have a nice setup. If you go to the main, he's got build character where you could build your own characters, but half the times you saw how I just clicked build character and it didn't even move. Um, you know, it's just like I just feel like there's a sluggish going on with this software, aside from the fact that I still can't render. Great, you got all these templates. I can render the template, but I can't make any changes. As soon as I make changes, I get corrupt files. So I don't know. I'm gonna wind up probably in the next 1 to 3 days just send an email and tell them to refund me. You know what? Other people can play with their garbage software. I'm saying, I paid 150. I shouldn't have to uh, keep going back and forth. I already got 3 to 4 days of going back and forth with them, and I still haven't been fixed. So clearly, they don't know how to program, and they don't know how to support to fix it. Because you know what? I know a little about programming, PHP, a little C++, and I tell you, I would never, ever in a million years release a software like this that does not render. Rendering is like the key element of the software. You can create whatever you want. If you can't render, it's useless.